Okay, my mini mathematicians, last page of this lesson. Let's keep on rocking. Please track with me. We're on page 20. Circle the operation you're going to perform. Draw a chip or tile model or a number line model for each. Then record your sum. Don't forget, we need to circle the operation first, then decide which model you would like to do, and then record the sum. I'm going to be using a chip model because those are my favorite. Feel free to pick your favorite. Number 23, -1 adding +1. So I need -1 chip and then add 1 chip. This makes a 0 pair, which means your sum is 0. Great job. Why don't you finish 24, 25, and 26? Please pause the video for 1 minute to finish 24, 25, and 26. Thank you for pausing the video for 1 minute. Awesome. Let's see how you did. 24, the sum is 4. We had 5 negatives and added 9 positives. We did make 5 0 pairs and we had 4 positives remaining. 25, our answer is -12, and 26, our sum is -9. Sometimes it's really helpful to keep your chips nice and organized. For 25, we had -9, and then the next row I put my -7 chips, and then finally I put my positive chips. Wonderful. Let's take a look at the next set of directions. First, we need to draw a chip model or a number line, your choice. Then, write an expression to answer the word problem and simplify. I think our expression is going to end up being an addition-subtraction expression because all of these have been dealing with addition. Then, write your answer in context using a complete sentence. Okay, let's read 27 together. 27, please track with me. In the first half of a trivia game, Lilia scored 8 points. In the second half, she scored -3 points. What is her final score? Let's think about this. Let's read it again and underline the important information. In the first half of a trivia game, Lilia scored 8 points. In the second half, she scored -3 points. What is her total final score? Well, the first thing we need to do is draw a chip model or a number line. I'm going to do a chip model. First, we had 8 positives, so I'm going to give 8 not filled in tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then she scored -3 points, so I need to add 3 negative tiles to my model. Once I get rid of my 0 pairs, I have 5 remaining. So that was 8 positives adding 3 negatives, don't forget your parentheses, equals 5. Let's make sure we write our answer in context and use a complete sentence. What is her final score? Who are we talking about? Oh, Lilia. Lilia's final score is 5. 5 points for Lilia. Excellent. Let's do our last one for this part of the lesson. 28. Clayton has a score. Oh, track with me. How about your trackers? Thank you, mathematicians. Clayton has a score of -7 points in a game. He then answered questions correctly for 3 points. What is his final score? Well, let's read again and underline the important information. Clayton has a score of -7 points. He then answers correctly and gets 3 more points. What's his final score? Do you think he'll end up with positive points or negative points? Well, we first started with -7, so I'm going to put in -7 chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 filled in chips. And then I'm going to add 3 positives. Once I get rid of my 0 pairs, there's 4 negatives left over. So what did I start with? -7, and I added 3. Do I need parentheses here? No, because all of the operation and the negative sign are separated with numbers. So -7 adding +3 gets you -4 remaining. So what does that mean for our sentence? What's his final score? Clayton's final score is -4 points. Great job, mini mathematicians. Give yourself a pat on the back, a little shoulder roll. Maybe try to bring your arms around in some circles, and we're going to keep rocking to the next lesson. Thanks, mini mathematicians. Let's keep it up.